Hi, my name is Emily.
And my name is Liliana, and this is our Machine Learning Lab report video. In this lab, we took recorded data given to us, manipulated it, finding 13 features to train MATLAB to recognize 5 different motions. We then took the highest overall accuracy model and used it to get MATLAB to accurately predict true positive values, with the data we collected performing the 5 different motions ourselves. The goal of this lab was to teach MATLAB to correctly predict 3 out of 5 motions performed. These are some of the motions we performed, but the motion we will focus on is drinking water. We took turns performing the motion and recording the data via MATLAB on our phones. The acceleration data from the sensor on our phones, MATLAB, was then imported into the MATLAB drive, which could be accessed on our computers. This data shows up in the mobile sensor data folder. We created a new MATLAB script and split each motion into sections. In these sections, we imported each array of data. This is the function file we called to extract the 13 features we specified.
We used the function yFit with our trained model to test whether MATLAB gives us the correct motion back. We repeated this for each function. Our trained model showed up in the workspace. We used the classification learner app on MATLAB to load in our reference table so we could train in order to test our data collected later. We then selected features and compared them against one another. In doing this, the scatter plot would change, and we were trying to separate the data points, yet keep them in their own groups. After experimenting with this, we chose the best 5 out of 13 features that would allow us to train the model the best. To train our model, we clicked on All Quick to Train and Train All. After doing this, we looked into the accuracies of each model and found that the highest accuracy was 96.1%. And we were able to observe the true positive rates to determine that this was a good model to move forward with to predict our collected data. When we ran each section of the test script, we were able to see how MATLAB predicted our collected data. We obtained 4 out of 5 true positives and were able to predict each motion except brush teeth.